Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have an Acer Aspire Go 15. This is going to be the AG15-51P model. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your battery. So first thing guys, power down your computer, make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip your computer over to access your bottom case screws. Now there are 10 screws in this bottom case. After you remove those screws, you're going to take a small, flat, plastic pry tool and you're going to go across the seam of the bottom case and pry it up from your computer. It's generally best to start near the rear, near one of the two hinge assemblies. I found it easiest from this middle section right here to start prying it up. Don't put the pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Just keep it on the edge. Go nice and slow but firm. And if you get stuck going in one direction, leave it, go to the other side, and continue in the other direction. Once you get your bottom case off, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your project, as well as any of the replacement or upgrade components for this specific model, the AG1551P, there will be a link above, also below in the description, and it will be a list of all those tools and supplies and replacement parts. Here's your battery right down here. This battery has an Acer part number of AP23A8L. It's a 53 watt hour, 15 volt battery. I will have all that information below in the description if you're looking for your own replacement, but I will have a replacement battery included in that list I told you about below in the description. It's held in by these two screws on either side, and it plugs into the motherboard right here near the green arrow. Now, as with any cables or wires in a computer, avoid pulling on them when at all possible. Just manipulate the plug. So as you see here, there's a grip on either side, so you can use a pry tool or your fingernails to wiggle that out of that port right there. If you pull on wires or cables in a computer, you could damage them, and sometimes you can pull them right out of the plug. So it's always best just to work on the plug itself. And I guess the last thing to mention about a battery replacement like this, if you are here because your computer's not turning on, your battery may be bad and you may need to replace it. But keep in mind that most laptop computers should still turn on and function with a bad battery as long as the charger's plugged in. So if your computer's not turning on, there is most likely another reason other than just a bad battery. If you would like help troubleshooting your laptop, I will have a link above. Also below in the description, it'll be the full troubleshooting video for a laptop that's not turning on, so you can find the cause and fix it. But that's the end of this video, how to get inside your Go 15 and access your battery. Thanks again so much for watching. Please remember to like and share if this helped you out, if you think it can help someone else out, and feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content like this, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any of your future computer questions. I do try to answer all questions throughout my channel at least a couple times a day. Also, feel free to check out the related links section below in the description. From time to time, I do try to add things in there that I think will help you with your general computer life, make it more productive, more enjoyable. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.